Hello world! Hello my dear YouTubers, my subscribers. This is me, Natalia, your personal tour guide in Belarus, and we continue topic of relocation to Belarus. And this video will be interesting for those of you who want to stay in Belarus longer than 30 days and who want to obtain temporary residency permit. So, having a property, buying a property is one option how you can get this TRP. And today I'm gonna show you the sample of cheap house which can be used as a summer cottage and as a house for living all year round. And this house is located on the lake. Actually, wonderful place. We are in Vitebsk area in 3 hours drive from Minsk. Beautiful lake Ives. I will show you it right now. Of course, living by lake and having your own access to it is a great advantage of this house. You can swim here the whole summer, go for fishing, enjoy the sunsets, drinking wine. Yeah, maybe some of you dream about dacha or summer cottage nearby a lake, and if you feel like this place is yours, drop me a line. Beautiful. And during winter time this lake is frozen, so I will show you this way. Of course, if people live here, they cut the grass, and here is old banya, you can see just in front of us. I will not show it inside. Now I'm gonna show you this house from the road to see the whole picture. So here is the road, and half of this house is for sale. You can see such foundation, new windows, and there is a lake in front of us. Small garden, very high foundation. Here is garage, this yellow entrance, and a cellar inside. So the territory is the territory of this house is just in front of us. You can see these greenhouses and trees and bushes over there. So one important moment is that the view from this veranda, you can see the lake in front of us, but the territory which is in front of us is the territory of the neighbors. Our area is here. So let's go inside. I will show you. Kitchen is there. Cooking, gas balloon, small, to wash dishes and so on. And there is a water well in the yard, and the water can be taken from there. This kitchen is a kind of a summer kitchen, so during the winter it will be cold here. And here is the entrance. Lots of stuff. Big room. The furniture will be left here. If someone. So here is the view to this village, the windows. The house is not abandoned. It is very livable, and till this summer the owner lived here, but now she decided to sell it. She said that she spent happy moments, happy years here with her beloved husband, but unfortunately she has to sell it because cannot come to this village anymore. So just one room and the kitchen. Well, let's summarize the whole picture of this house. First of all, the owner, she wants for this house 10,000 US dollars. Bargaining is appropriate in this case, and price can be discussed. I don't think that this is the high price in comparison with the other options which I've seen in that area. I know the owner of this house in person, nice old lady who has issues with health, and this is the main reason why she decided to sell her property. She built that house something like 30 years ago. It means that it is not so old as the rest of the houses which are for sale nowadays with the same price. This can be a good, this can be an advantage, of course. What do we have here? We have electricity, we have water in a water well, toilet outside. Also, there is a water pipe which goes from the lake into the house, and you can wash dishes over there. If you decide to live in this house during the winter, you have to insulate the kitchen. This is what I know from the owner. Well, Banya is included in this package, which can be an advantage, and in this case, buying a house, it is important to get the information not only about the house, but in general about neighborhood of your future living. And talking about this place, I can say that this is really livable village with nice neighbors residing there permanently. They are nice, helpful. Most of them are farmers, and they produce honey, make milk, cheese, have meat for sale. So living in this house, you will have food and you will not starve. Close by a lake, close by this house, there is a forest. You can go for mushroom hunting during the summer. And in terms of tourism, this place is developing. And in the future, it will be developed more and more. People are coming to this place. They stay, they live. And this house can be a good option for investment. You can buy it and you can rent to people in the future, to people during summertime, for instance. This is just my point of view. I'm asking you, what do you think about this place? And if you have any questions, you can send me message, private message. And if you wanna have a look at this house, I am ready to show it to you. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.